Okay, deep breath. This is it. My first real job. I still can't believe it. I passed the interview. I didn't think they would call me, but they did. I really need this. I just moved into my own apartment last week, and everything is new and scary. Rent, bills, food. I have to do everything myself now. I'm not a kid anymore. I need to grow up. I need to work hard. I'll do my best no matter what. I want to learn. I want to grow. And I want to prove myself. This is my chance. Lucas, good morning. You're here right on time. That's a good sign. I like people who are punctual. Congratulations on passing the interview. Not many make it this far. Thank you, sir. I'm very excited. I'm ready to start working and learning. I really appreciate this opportunity. Great. I'll explain everything to you: your tasks, schedule, expectation, everything. It's important that we are clear from the beginning. So, Lucas, as you know, this position is for a junior assistant. It's an entry level job. But here, we believe in responsibility. We don't care about titles, we care about action. So you'll be doing a little bit of everything. Sure, I'm okay with that. I want to learn all I can. What exactly will I be doing? Good question. Let's start with your schedule. Your contract says 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but we often need people to stay later, sometimes until 7 or 8 p.m. It depends on the workload. Of course, there's no overtime pay, but we believe in rewarding commitment in other ways. Wait, no overtime pay? But if I work more hours, shouldn't I get paid more? In the future, yes. But for now, we need to see if you are serious about being part of this company. It's like a test period. Show us you care, and later you'll grow with us. Okay, I understand. And about the tools for the job, do I get a computer or any equipment? Actually, we don't have extra computers right now, so you'll need to bring your own laptop from home. Don't worry, it's just temporary. Also, bring headphones and a mouse if you have them. It's important to be prepared. Uh, I wasn't expecting that, but alright, I'll bring my laptop. And what about my main duties? Well, besides assisting the team, you'll also manage some junior interns. They are younger than you, and they don't listen unless someone watches them. It's your job to keep them focused. Wait, I thought I was the junior here. I don't have any experience managing people. Exactly. That's why this is a great opportunity. We want to see your leadership potential. Don't worry, you'll figure it out. Also, sometimes you'll help clean the office a bit, take out the trash, organize supplies, sweep the floor if needed. We all help out. We are a team. Clean? Isn't that the cleaning staff's job? Yes, but sometimes they are late or don't show up. We have to be flexible. That's what makes a good worker. Oh, and another small thing: you might help in the storage area. Just organizing boxes, lifting items, moving chairs when we have events. Nothing too heavy. I see. And the salary? In the job ad, it said 1,200 per month. Is that still correct? Actually, no. During your 3-month trial, you'll receive $900 per month in cash. After that, we'll review your performance and talk about the full salary. In cash? So I won't be on the company payroll? Not at first. It's just a temporary setup. Saves paperwork. It's normal in this industry. Many young people like you start this way. What about benefits? Health insurance? Pet holidays? Again, after the trial period, for now, we just expect hard work and trust. Show us what you can do, and later we'll take care of you. Okay, I'll think about everything. Uh, Thank you for explaining. No problem. We're counting on your energy and passion. You can sign the trial contract now, and we'll get started. Mr. Harrison, I'm really thankful for this opportunity. I know people don't get even one interview. I really wanted this job, but to be honest, some things don't feel right to me. I'm just starting my professional life, and I want to do things correctly. What do you mean, Lucas? Is there a problem? Yes, a few things. You said I have to bring my own laptop and tools. You also said I have to work extra hours without extra pay, and I will receive my salary in cash with no contract, no benefits, and no insurance. That doesn't sound legal or fair. Lucas, this is how we work here. It's a small company. We can't offer everything at the beginning. You have to show loyalty first. Then things get better, trust me. But if I work full time, I should be paid fairly from the beginning. I don't mind working hard. I want to grow. But asking me to manage other people, clean the office, lift boxes, work late, and accept less money than promised, that's not professional. That's exploitation. Young people these days, you want everything easy, no patience. That's not how life works. Do you know how many people would take this job right now? Maybe they would, but I want a job where I'm respected, where my time and effort matter. I can't sign this contract. It's not right. I don't feel safe or protected. Then don't. Good luck finding something better. This opportunity won't come again. That's okay. I'll find something better. I believe in myself. Thank you for your time. Sometimes we want something so badly that we accept anything. But not every opportunity is a good opportunity. If someone offers you work without rights, without fair pay, without respect, walk away. You deserve better. A job is not a favor, it's a two-way deal. You give your time, your skills, your energy, and you must receive something fair in return. To all the young people starting their careers, know your rights, ask questions, think twice before saying yes, because you are worth more than just a paycheck. You are building your future. And if you're learning English, this is your chance to learn not only the language, but also the lessons that matter in life.
If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.